With the increasing awareness of the harm caused to the environment, many of us are engaging in eco-friendly approaches. And one way we can help ourselves and the environment is through the cleaning tools we use when cleaning our homes. While most people are not as conscious about the eco-friendliness of their cleaning tools, we want to encourage you to use specific cleaning tools that will help you to save money and protect the environment. 1. Non-plastic scrub brushes. You will undoubtedly find a scrub brush in every home, but most of them are made of plastic materials. You may not be overly concerned about the materials used in making these scrub brushes, but you should take note of that. We advise you to shop for a scrub brush made of wooden material such as bamboo brushes, as they pose no harm to the environment when you dispose of them. And they can also clean your pots, pan, sink and other appliances in the home perfectly. Finally, they are affordable, durable and comfortable to use and maintain. Thus they have a massive advantage over those made of plastic materials. Let's discuss the kind of brush you use at home, and if you have tried those made of wood or bamboo and their effectiveness, drop your comment below. 2. Natural sponges. Every home needs a sponge to clean all surfaces and appliances properly. However, most sponges are made up of plastic materials which take time to decompose when disposed of after some period of use. While some platforms will encourage you to use old rags or worn-out clothes, they will not be as effective on every surface as sponges, so we recommend you purchase some natural sponges. You can find these natural sponges, or what we call natural sea sponges, in some eco-friendly shops to protect the environment. 3. Wool dryer balls. One of the tricks we encourage our audiences to use is the wool dryer balls for drying clothes. These balls are effective in drying clothes faster and tend to save energy in drying your stuff quickly. And now, you will not have to waste energy drying with these natural wool balls. You can get them cheap, or you can make them yourself if you have the suitable materials, and these balls can be used for a long time, saving you energy and money during the period you are using them. So go green and make your laundry faster and more efficient as you use these dryer balls in between your clothes. 4. Spray bottles, reusable. Since we all know about natural cleaning homemade solutions, we will encourage you to get reusable spray bottles for your homemade solutions. You can store your homemade cleaning solution here, and the spray bottles will help you to minimize their use, thus reducing wastage as you use them to clean surfaces. Get as many bottles as you will need for the various solutions you use in cleaning the surfaces in your home. You can refill these bottles when emptied instead of disposing of them, and get a new one that will add to the plastic waste piling up in our environment. You will also be saving money using the bottles for a long time, as they help you manage the quantity of cleaning solutions you use. There are various shapes and sizes of spray bottles available, and you can buy the ones that suit your needs. 5. Organic towels. Every home will do with a highly absorbent towel for cleaning and drying. For this purpose, we recommend you get organic dishcloths and towels readily available in shops. These materials are biodegradable and pose less harm to the environment as waste. In addition, they are more absorbent, easy to dry and reusable than the conventional dish towel we have at home. So the next time you shop for your home cleaning tools, inquire about organic towels for your home and notice the difference when you start using them. 6. Wooden-handled broom and dustbin, plastic-free. While you may be used to brooms and dustbins made of plastic materials as they have become popular, you should swap them for the ones made with wooden materials. From our experience, those cleaning materials made with wooden handles are sturdier, easy to handle and last longer. So check out the beautifully designed wooden handle brooms and dustbin you will find online, and upgrade your cleaning tools today, as you switch to the eco-friendly lifestyle. Now that you know about the 6 must-have cleaning tools mentioned above, upgrade to an eco-friendly cleaning lifestyle. FastKlean, using its platform, has continued to enlighten and educate its audiences about the best approaches to an eco-friendly lifestyle through its cleaning tips and guide. We want to hear from you about these topics, and we encourage you to share with friends and family that will find this helpful topic. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on ways to make cleaning faster and enjoyable. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208884949 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.